Hi everybody, and welcome back to Handsthatcook. My name is Linda. Today we're going to make some creamy pumpkin squares. Now this is going to be great during the holidays. Well, anytime really. So I lightly greased 9x13 pan, and the recipe actually called for a yellow cake mix. I didn't have yellow, so I used white. So we're just going to go with it, okay? So in this bowl I've got one yellow white cake mix, a stick of softened butter, and on the bottom there's a half a cup of chopped pecans, and this is a lightly beaten egg going in. I'm going to mix all this up. And we're going to mash this into the bottom of that pan that I lightly sprayed. I was so upset. I thought I had a, whoop. There we go. Here's our pan. I thought I had yellow cake mix, but I didn't. Here's our mixture. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Well, we're going to see how this turns out with using a white cake mix. Get this all spread out in here. The recipe will be down below, so you don't have to catch all this. There we go. Well, it smells good, even if it is white, a white cake mix. Okay. And we're going to set this aside. Set evenly, so try to get it as evenly as possible. I'm going to set it aside now. Oh. And we'll start on our on the rest of our, I'm going to get this out of here because I'm going to reuse this bowl. Yeah, it's not going to hurt a thing. Alright, I'll be back with you in a minute. This is 8-ounce brick of softened cream cheese and 3 eggs. And we're going to beat these until they're well combined. When I get to that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, now that I've gotten the cream cheese, the 8-ounce block of cream cheese and 3 eggs mixed up real well, I added half a teaspoon of, well, y'all, I had a battery change, so I don't know how much of that you got. I had 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese and 3 eggs in this bowl, and I mixed it up real well. Now, the recipe calls for half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I don't like pumpkin pie spice, so I just added a little bit, and I added cinnamon. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of pumpkin, not pumpkin puree, pumpkin. I'm going to get this mixed up in here. Now it calls for 16 ounces confectionery sugar, and I'll be back in a minute. So I'm going to gradually beat this in. What I've got is a 2-pound bag, so I'm just going to get when I get about half of it in here, I'll know that I've got 1 pound. Not quite. I'm going to taste it just to be sure. That I've got enough in here. Let's see. Now, that tastes so good, y'all. Sorry. Get this out of the way. Maybe add just a tad bit more. Yeah, I think that's about 1 pound. So all I'm going to do with this is pour it over the top of the this that I fixed earlier, and I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Yeah, and then we'll be back. Alright, I just wanted to show you what this looks like. Very thin layer on top of the crust layer, and it's going in that oven, for 350 degree oven, for an hour. Then I'll bring you back. Well, here we are. These creamy pumpkin squares, they baked exactly an hour. I cut a piece right here. We're going to give it a taste. Let's see. So good. Mmm. You all are going to love these. Great for the holidays or just during the week for a family night. They're wonderful. And using that white cake mix didn't hurt it a bit. So good, y'all. You gotta give them a try. You will love them. Let's see if I can get in any closer. Not a disappointment, I promise you that. I may have overbaked these a little bit, but they're delicious. And they are smooth and creamy. Well, y'all, give it a try. Be great on your Thanksgiving dessert table. A little bit of whipped cream on top. Delicious. So thank you for coming in and spending part of your day with me. I always appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe. You saw how simple it is to make. It's just delicious. So until next time, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and be sure and hit the little bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, you all take care, and God bless every one of you.